guys, and welcome to a new tutorial with the Nubian Tech Tips. Today where I'm going to be answering the question, does ChatGPT have an app? Well, to answer this question, it is pretty complicated. It is both yes and no. No, ChatGPT does not have an official app that supports ChatGPT that is made by the company, but there are unofficial apps that you can use like Replica and Hi Assistant, which uses the open API, and it is integrated with ChatGPT, so it could functions in the same way of ChatGPT. You could download them from Google Play, and they are free, so you can use them anywhere. So guys, thanks for watching and see you later. Hope you press the subscribe button and press the like button, to support the algorithm. Thanks for watching and see you later.